Hello, good morning students. Hope you're doing well, dear students. Today we are going to learn about hygiene. You know, there are many germs in our surroundings and how we can protect ourselves from those germs only by following these activities. Which activities? Brush your teeth, wash your hands, wash your face, drink your milk and eat your food properly. Let's sing this song. Brush, brush, brush your teeth, brush it every day. Father, mother, brother, sister, brush them every day. Father, mother, brother, sister, brush them every day. Now, wash, wash, wash your head, wash them every day. Wash, wash, wash your head, wash them every day. Father, mother, brother, sister, wash them every day. Father, mother, brother, sister, wash them every day. Now, wash, wash, wash your face, wash it every day. Wash, wash, wash your face, wash it every day. Father, mother, brother, sister, wash it every day. Now, comb, comb, comb your hair, comb them every day. Father, mother, brother, sister, comb them every day. Father, mother, brother, sister, comb it every day. Now, drink, drink, drink your milk, drink it every day. Drink, drink, drink your milk, drink it every day. Why drink your milk? Because milk makes us healthy and strong. Drink, drink, drink your milk, drink it every day. Father, mother, brother, sister, drink it every day. Now, eat, eat, eat your food, eat it every day. Father, mother, brother, sister, eat it every day. Father, mother, brother, sister, eat it every day. Very good. Hope you have enjoyed this song. Learn it by heart. Take care of yourself. Goodbye.